little explorers. Today, Leo and Lina are in their computer class. Their teacher has a fun question.
Let's start with a fun question. Do you know which animal is the biggest in the world?
It's the lion, the biggest and the loudest. Roar!
Ooh, it's the elephant. He's big and walks like boom, boom. Or the giraffe with the long neck?
Everyone had different answers, but nobody was sure.
We can find answers in many ways, like asking parents or friends. But here in the lab, we'll use something special, the internet.
What's the internet?
The internet is like a big book full of answers. You can search for anything, and it will help you find what you want, super fast. These are web browsers. They help us open the internet, just like a door helps you go into a room. Let's open Google Chrome. It helps us search for answers. It's called a search engine.
The teacher typed in the search bar, biggest animal in the world, and pressed the enter key.
Look, it says, the biggest animal is the blue whale. Wow!
The blue whale? That's huge, bigger than a bus.
Now let's try voice search. See that tiny microphone? Now tap the little microphone and ask your question. Which is the biggest animal in the world? Let's listen. And ta-da! It says, it's the blue whale again.
Leo and Lina had so much fun today. They learned how to find answers using the internet. Great job, little explorers. Keep searching, keep learning, and see you next time.